Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Comet browser on your Windows 11, the browser that we can use with the Perplexity AI that is under the Perplexity AI. So first of all, you just need to go to a Chrome browser or any browser that you have. Just search for Comet browser on Google and here you'll find the perplexity.ai Comet, which is the official website. Click on this and this will take you to this page and you can see there's the option of download Comet. Click on this. And now you can see you don't need to sign in with your Gmail account. It will automatically start the process. As you can see, here's the Comet installer. Just go to the folder and click on the Comet installer. And you just need to click on start install. And now it's going to download the application and then it will automatically install on your PC. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds here. As you can see, it's automatically installed on my PC. You just need to click on Launch Comet. And it will start to launch on your PC for the first time. Now this link is started. Are you getting for your browser story settings for password? And for this previous point to choose these to later. Now just go to video profile name. I'm just going to pick the video profile name randomly. Now you can choose the theme here. For this, I'm just going to choose this art theme. And you can choose light or dark. And just click continue. And now make Comet your default browser. This, but I'm going to uncheck this. Add Comet to your taskbar. You can do this, but I'm going to uncheck this. Open Comet on startup. No, I'm not going to choose this. And help us improve the product. Yes, you can choose this and click start Comet. And it will start the browser for you. First, it will do some security check. And now as you can see, it's open on your PC. Now you can continue with your Gmail account, but you can do this later. And right now it's totally successfully installed on your Windows 11 PC. Now you can ask anything just like you use Perplexity AI, or you can search anything from the taskbar, from the address bar here. If I just search here for YouTube, you can go to YouTube. As I am now signing up with any Gmail, that's why it's not showing any video here, but you can do this. Also, you can use the assistant to summarize any video if you want video, just like you use Perplexity AI. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to show you. This is how you can install and download and install the Perplexity AI Comet browser. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.